The year is 2080, and hardly a highway remains. Gone are the days of the diesel and songs about wrecks in the rain. The Macs and the Queens have all rusted away. The harvest is rot in the sand. In a deserted truck stop sits Tennessee Thompson, the world's last truck driving man. He laid up the world's last lucky, got his last cup of coffee refilled. Then he stared at the sky for one final high, took the world's last little white pill. He said, "World, you are losing your truckers, and you suckers do not give a damn. You're freighting in space, and there just ain't no place for a hard-riding, truck-driving man." The world's last truck-driving man, his left arm is losing its tan. The rest all went broke and just went up in smoke. He's the world's last truck-driving man. Then he sat there and drank two old memories. Doreen sat there drying his tears. Doreen was the world's last truck-stopping waitress. She was weary and worn with the years. So he put his last dime in the world's last jukebox for the lady he'd loved for so long. And there in that deserted truck stop they danced to the world's last truck driving song. Then he climbed up inside his old semi. Doreen, she crawled up at his side. He shifted it down and the diesel said, "Sam, said this is your last homeward ride." So he whispered 10-4 to her and the Lord as the microphone fell from his hand. And he came to the exit mark. Tennessee Thompson, the world's last truck driving man. He was high falling straight through them bright pearly gates, when behind in the dust of his rig come the wailing siren of old Smokey McKenzie, the world's last interstate pig. Hear him roar, see him fly past the clouds through the sky on that highway that don't have an end. But you know that's heaven for Tennessee Thompson, the world's last truck driving man. And Doreen, the world's last truck driving man. 10-4 and gone.